If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2025 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these simple steps to potentially resolve the issue and get back into the game faster. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the game servers. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection and may resolve temporary glitches causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or restarting your router. A strong and stable connection is crucial for online gaming. Step 5. Change matchmaking settings. In the game settings, try adjusting your matchmaking preferences. Switching from automatic matchmaking to a specific region or server may help you connect more easily. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the matchmaking error. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.